our hills and our mountains.
Our forests and woodlands.
Our seas.
Our urban green spaces.
Our wildlife.
Our people.
Our communities.
Our
Wales.
Our team. Together, making a difference. From our health and well-being, the food we eat, the prosperity of our nation, nature is the foundation stone of Wales's well-being.
Which is why protecting and enhancing it is at the core of everything we do. And the stakes could not be higher. We are taking the lead in how Wales tackles the climate, nature and pollution emergencies it faces.
Our vision is to see nature and people thriving together by 2050. And our mission is to see a Wales where nature is recovering.
Communities are resilient to climate change.
Pollution is minimised.
We're acting to build the resilience of Wales's ecosystems so that nature can adapt to a changing climate. Like here in northwest Wales. Dredging works in the 1960s destroyed vital habitats, stopping the river connecting with the floodplain. But we are reversing that damage by adding hundreds of tons of boulder, gravel and sand back into the river. We have helped the habitats recover and biodiversity thrive. Drainage ditches have been blocked to create pools and scrapes, benefiting a whole range of wildlife and helping with carbon capture and storage. We are providing long-term, sustainable benefits to the whole ecosystem.
We'll help our communities build resilience to climate change by working with nature to capture carbon and reduce flood risk. Peatlands are amazing at capturing and storing carbon. The way we value our peatlands has changed with time, and today we need them to be healthy. 90% of Welsh peatlands are in poor condition. In poor condition, they emit greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. Our work to restore peatlands across Wales, like here at Cors Gafaelog National Nature Reserve in Gwynedd, is one of the most effective nature-based solutions to tackle both the climate and nature emergencies.
We will strengthen our regulation work so pollution is minimised, taking action where necessary. We're also tackling metal mine water pollution. We've identified 129 old metal mines across Wales that are causing the greatest impacts on our rivers, and we have a programme to remediate them. Our work here at Frongoch Mine in Ceredigion has reduced water pollution and created new habitats for wildlife. We've reshaped and capped the waste dumps, allowing revegetation. We've diverted a stream to prevent it flowing into the mine and built channels to carry the clean surface water into a series of ponds, creating a wetland habitat. Our work here is really making a difference.
As a zero-carbon organisation, we will lead by example, putting the natural environment at the heart of all decisions we make.
We will make it easier to find, understand and do things online and contact us if needed.
We will lead the way, but know how important it will be to collaborate with our partners.
Tailoring how we work for the benefit of our communities and the people and wildlife who call them home.
In this next decisive decade, our plan is to take action to curb climate change, support nature's recovery, and minimise pollution. Making the best decisions for Wales's environment as we hold it in trust for generations to come.